Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. Practically it could be any Hyundai vehicle guys that uses that design of lower ball joint. We will explain how to remove and replace lower ball joint, the one that's attached to the control arm, because when they go bad you can develop play, uneven tire wear, misaligned vehicle, and it could be so dangerous that your wheel can come off and you're done guys. So we'll explain how to remove, how to replace lower ball joints. Stay with us. We'll cover that on this Hyundai Sonata, but the video could be helpful on many Hyundais such as Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Santa Fe, Tucson, Veloster and Accent as well. So let's explain what we need to do now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So now, what do you need to do for your Hyundai guys to get to the ball joint? You need to jack it up. Once you jack it up guys, you need to remove your wheel. Once you remove the wheel, okay, we're going to turn the steering wheel to the right and we'll show you where that lower ball joint is located. It is right here, that's what we're talking about. Okay, that thing, that lower ball joint, that's the one that we need to replace. So how do you guys remove and replace that one? Pretty simple. Okay, you have that safety pin, okay, that we need to remove, but before that, get penetrating spray. We sprayed everything, okay, so it can eat all that stuff, but you need to spray your bolts here. Here in the middle there is a crack, spray really good. Underneath you have the two nuts, spray those as well and let everything soak. We soaked it for about 30 minutes guys. It will make a big difference. Now let's explain what you need to do. That safety pin, it needs to come out. How we do that? Pretty simple. You just bend it like that, come back, okay. You need to pull it out and always install a new safety pin later. Even that bolt is recommended to be installed new every time you remove or replace it. So let's go ahead, see if we can pull it out. We need to just align the two pieces together. Okay, perfect. It came out. What do we need to do next guys? Okay, for the next step we just need to go ahead and pre-loosen all the nuts and bolts. So okay, everything being soaked, everything comes out easy. That bolt as well, perfect. Now that nut that holds the ball joint to the hub, go ahead, get that one loose. Now this one we can remove it all the way now. You will have a lot of rust in that bolt. That's another reason you need to replace it guys. Leave the nut on. Okay, let's screw it on back on. Nope, a little bit less. Okay, like that. Okay, and now we need to hammer the bolt, start hammering the bolt out. Perfect. Okay, now we can unscrew the nut more. And you can get a punch in the middle or gently just tap it to come out without damaging it, not to get it stuck there. Check out all the rust that's inside that bolt. That's ridiculous guys. So what we have now, we can get a screwdriver or a punch and spread those two pieces together a little bit so it can come out easier guys. Perfect. Next, it will be stuck really bad. Again, spray penetrating spray once you spread it out. Okay, and now with the hammer, okay, we're going to hammer on the ball joint itself, not on the control arm, on the bolt there. It came loose. What do we need to do after that guys? Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Now you have to be careful. If you install it here you can damage the control arm, but just put a little bit of tension, start hammering. It came loose. Check out all the rust that's accumulated here. It's unbelievable guys. That's what's causing okay all that trouble now. So now on the bottom, let's go ahead and remove the two nuts and the bolt. And we're almost there. We'll also explain if you want to find out about the symptoms of bad low ball joint. Okay, tap on it a little bit. Okay, and it came loose. This is it. This is the ball joint out of a Hyundai vehicle. Many of them will use exactly the same design, or it could be something very similar, guys. If it's different, always consult your manual. Now, if you want to find out the symptoms of bad low ball joint and how to know if it's bad, we have a special video that explains that on Hyundai vehicle. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.